Alright, so today papanoorin natin ang top 2 ko na favorite P-pop group, which is Alamat, obviously. At may bago silang MV, man. Ang title ay Sinigang. You have done it, Alamat. I'm so proud of you. I'm so happy. Alamat is officially one of the best P-pop, one of the best P-pop groups. At sa tingin ko, Cebu Pacific! Ang sa tingin ko, Alamat yung pinaka heavily inspired by legit Filipino culture, Filipino language and all. Sila yung pinaka-inclined sa P-pop talaga. Yung talagang Pinoy na Pinoy. Because the title screams Pinoy. OMG, man. Alamat, that's why they're my top 2. So, I'm pretty excited to watch this. If you're an Alamat fan, kung isa kang maggiliw, subscribe to the channel because this group is amazing, man. Let's go. Let's check it out. Sinigang. Laki ng screen, na. Yeah. Oh my God.
G! Isang order ng sinigang, tol.
Okay. Ah, si Jusa! We got Jusa in the MV. Very good. Very good. Very good, Alamat. You got, ano pangalan nito? Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. Ano dito? Pinapanood namin ni Commander to eh. Alright, alright. So, wala siyang farewell walk ba yan? Alright, so we got her. At nakita na natin yung mga sahog sa sinigang. Okay, let's check it out, man. I'm excited!
Paano ba to? Ba't hindi ka mawala sa aking isipan ay puso na ikaw lang ang laman? Wag mo akong hahayaang mahulog mag-isa. Paano na yung tayong dalawa? Yeah.
Shit! That's how you make an MV, man. That's how you make... I got the exact same mirror. We got it right here. So, na yun? I got this. Tawag nito? Na baling yung tingin ko sa salamin nila. By the way, nice mirror kasi matibay yan. But, man, that's an awesome... Oh, gusto ko yung pace nung MV. Alam mo yun? Alam mo talagang pinaglaanan to, pare, and I'm pretty excited. My story, maganda yung pagkagawa, movie-like yung dating, ang ganda ng boses nila, yung sayaw nila, man. This is Alamat here, man. I'm pretty excited with this group. Holy shit. Let's go. Let's do it again, man.
Isang order ng sinigang, tol.
Tsaka na-show din kung gaano sila kagaling mag-act, no? You got a whole vibe, man. Theater and all. Yeah, si Joy Barcoma. Right. Good morning, Master Emogene. Parang stalker yung dating.
Paano ba to? Ba't hindi ka mawala sa aking isipan ay puso na ikaw lang ang laman? Wag mo akong hahayaang mahulog mag-isa. Paano na yung tayong dalawa? Yeah. Could I get a little piece of
Oh my God! And we got the dancing here, man. Dito sa mirror sila sasayaw. Oh, man. Man, I get excited when I see amazing MVs like this.
Could I get a little piece of your heart? Can't go without thinking about you. And what we could have been kung hindi.
Tangin na, puta. Grabe, pre. Ano siya, para siyang chef or sous chef or kusinero. Okay. Very Filipino vibe, man. Tapos may lamesa sa labas, tapos yung bahay Pinoy na Pinoy, oh. Bro, meron ba ano to? Ano to? Ano to? Ice candy, man. Alamat and being a Filipino is amazing. Shit, man.
Sabihin kong hindi piniling bitawan ang lahat ng ating
Good morning, towel and all.
Bibitawan ang katagalan. Di ka mawala, naiisip ka tuwing nag-iisa. Hanggang tumalon, ikaw mula noon, sigaw hanggang ngayon.
Oh, we got a transition.
Hindi ka mawala sa aking isipan at puso na ikaw lang ang laman. Oh, wag mo akong hayaang mahulog mag-isa. Paano na yung tayong dalawa? Lipas man ang panahon na hindi man lang magkataon na magkita kahit na ganon, ay ikaw pa rin nakabaon sa isipan at sa puso. Sabi ng awiting to, ako pa rin kaya nilalaman ng iyang sayo. Dahan, bibitawan ang katagalan. Di ka mawala, naiisip ka tuwing nag-iisa. Ikaw
Ina talaga, ang ganda talaga ng MV, pare. Woo! It's been so long since I've seen a wonderful MV, man. And Alamat doesn't give a fuck about trends and stuff. Right? They're doing them, yung parang yung mga melody, yung mga instrumentals na ganon, very Alamat coded. Yung mga pang Adonis na mga dance moves, yung mga smooth. Very Alamat, pare, ang sarap panoorin talaga. Man, this is P-pop. Oh my god. Very good. Holy shit.
ang katagalan. Di ka mawala, naiisip ka tuwing nag-iisa. Ikaw mula noon, ikaw pa rin sinisigaw hanggang ngayon. Paano ba to?
Woo!
Ba't hindi ka mawala sa aking isipan at puso na ikaw
Oh!
naman? Oh, wag mo akong hahayaang mahulog mag-isa. Paano na yung tayong dalawa?
Tangina, pati paghiwa ng kamati sexy. Pwede pala 'yun. Pati paghiwa ng kamati sexy, pare, gagi. Let's go. Ano mo? Ano mo?
Dalawa, kung di ka akin sa pahinang to, ako'y di mananawang maghanap sa'yo.
Sorry, pero yung nilagay mong dahon na 'yon, kulang 'yun.
Manawang
Yan lang. Kulang yan. Kulang yung sinigang. Kulang yung dahon ng sinigang mo, pre. Yan lang.
maghanap sa'yo.
Damn. Baka masarap din, no? What the...
Matagpuan ka man, hindi ka na masasaktan. Alam mo, ikaw ang tanging sigaw, palaging ikaw. Ano ba to?
Tangina, tingnan mo yan. Tingnan mo yan. Tingnan mo kung gaano ka-creative tong Alamat, pre. Hindi ko alam kung sila yung utak nito or who's behind them sa mga ganitong ideas, but it's freaking amazing. Kung gaano kagaling. Etong shot lang na to, ha. Ito, kay may hawak lang sa bawo na to. I don't know him. I don't know that. Ito lang ating kilala ko, si Moto, right? Hindi ko alam yung iba, eh, pero... This, look at that! That's cinema right there, man. Shit. So na-fall yung lalaki, yung babae hindi. Ano ba yun? So naging customer na lang siya na normal. O baka nagdi-daydream lang siya dun. Ah, hindi, umupo siya, eh, oh. Not bad, man. So parang baka naging sila, tapos nag-away sila ngayon. Parang sinusuyo niya ngayon. Not gonna lie. Parang yung sinigang Lux color, I don't know. But damn, that was an amazing MV. And putting a title like Sinigang is a ballsy move. Same lang din sa Dagundong, right? Alamat is a top tier, an S tier P-pop group. I don't care. I don't care no more. I don't even care if they can perform live or whatnot. Their stuff is enough to say that they're one of the top tier, one of the top tiers in P-pop. It's crazy. Shoutouts to Alamat, you're freaking awesome, bros. Kung ano man yung tinatahak yung landas, like releasing Maharani Dagundong and this one, ano ba yung isa? Meron pa Lusuminda, I don't remember it, but yun yung mga title ng kanta na talagang masasabi kong Riyaman, I'm proud and I'm happy that I'm listening to OPM and P-pop in specifically because it's freaking amazing. Shoutouts to Alamat. Very, very nice. Music video. I love it. I freaking love it, man. Even the girl here, and we love her. Me and my commander. Freaking awesome. Nice!